Assalamu alaikum grade 3. From today's video we will understand that why do we need a skeleton and why skeleton is important. Do you know why children are small and adults are big? Well, children are small due to their small and short skeleton, and adults are big due to their tall and long skeleton. Dear students, our bones also grow in size as we grow. Now let's observe through the comparison of the arm bone of a boy and a man. For this we used a ruler. Well, the boy's arm bone is shorter than the man. Boy's arm bone is only 24 cm long and man's arm bone is 34 cm long. Our skeleton also stops growing as we become an adult. That is why adults' bones take more time to get healed after fracture. Now what is a fracture? Well, sometimes we fall or have an unfortunate accident. In this, we may break our bone. Now this broken bone is known as a fracture. Comparing to adults, children's bones are the growing bones. They heal faster due to the cartilage in their bones. Now how do we know if we have a fracture or not? Well, doctors take a special photo called an X-ray to see if the bone is broken or not. So, our skeleton is a very important part of our body. It protects and supports delicate organs and it provides structure to our body. I hope you have understood about the growing importance and the other importance of the skeleton. Jazakallah and Assalamu alaikum.